Hey fellas, that's mechanic mode. This is a very quick video about how to replace the glass door on a 2015 Ford Escape. So first step guys, we gotta remove this reflector on the side of the door, and there's a 7mm screw. Also at a part of the lock unlock button into the handle, there's also a cap that has to be removed, and right behind there's another 7mm bolt. Next is going to be the window switch. It's pretty easy guys. You need just a plastic removal pops out, and then there's another two screws that has to be unscrewed, and also make sure you remove the connector. It's pretty easy, just a safety clip in there, push and pull the connector out. You need guys a 7mm wrench and socket, and unscrew them. After we got all the screws out, we'll need the plastic clip removal to get some space under the door panel in order to pop the door panel. Make sure guys you don't pull too much so you don't crack the clips that actually holds the panel on. Be very careful. Alright, there's going to be a couple of connectors on the door panel. One of this is the just the light on the door. Here is the wire that has to be removed just for the door opener, the handle. Alright guys, so you see these nuts. Just in case you guys need to remove and replace the rails, you have to take all of them out. In my case, guys, I just have to remove this plastic cover and drop the rail down to find basically the window holders with the two bolts on 10mm that holds the window when it goes up and down. And just in a moment I will show you how to do that, and it's a kind of tricky point where you have to insert the window switch back into the connector and turn the ignition on. This way we have the access to drop the holders down as you see in the video, right there. And there's like actually clips, there's no 10mm. Sorry about that. The Ford Escape, there's no bolt on it. It's just a clip that has to be pushed in order to insert the new window into the right spot. Yeah, fellas, totally forgot to let you know. Before inserting and installing the new window glass, make sure you guys are vacuuming the door shell and all the rubbers around the window, the like the sliding zone, the rails, because once you're gonna install the new one, you might scratch your new glass. You're gonna have a squeaky noise. Very uncomfortable, very noisy. So make sure you are vacuuming and cleaning everything around into the shell, and then also the frame of the window. And that's it guys. Once you clicked and push the window back into the holders, take the connector, the switch off, install the panel, all the connectors, all the clips, screws. But right before tightening everything back to normal, like I said, make sure you don't have any glass left into your door or around the frame, so you don't have any squeaky noises or weird sounds. Alright, after checking the door and making sure nothing is missing on it, we are done with this job. And yeah fellas, this is definitely a very small and quick video how to install the glass door into a Ford Escape. That was mechanic mode, and see you next time. Don't forget about the thumbs ups and comments below. Bye bye.